it's a Cat's Life, and this is Amber from a Screw Loose Homestead, and today we are working on the Kimberly camper again. We are going to put down the tile on the floor in the bedroom. And I'm not quite sure what we're going to do after that. So let's get started.
The underpinning?
Yeah, we just finished the underpinning.
No, I just finished the underpinning.
That's a she. The underpinning. My bad. My bad. I didn't lift a finger.
No.
Not at all.
She just bought the tape.
I bought the tape. And the plastic.
Yeah, that too.
It's cold up there.
We know.
But we're going to start on the floor, so I'll show you that. Alright guys, so these are the tiles that we picked out. We actually got them on clearance at Lowe's. And we went ahead and we put the first one down. As you can see.
How you put this tile down is you find the center of your floor. And then you put the center of your tile in the center of your floor. We'll bring you back when we get most of it done to show you how to put the last few pieces on. Because this room is really small and we're going to be bumping boots.
Guys, so we've done a little bit of the floor, and I'm going to show you that now. And then we just have a little bit of the room left. We have to cut some pieces around the sides and do a few more pieces over there. And then it'll be done. The floor will be. Okay, so here is the flooring that I chose. We showed you, but this is what it looks like all together. Love it. And so basically what I meant was cutting the pieces around the sides. We got to cut a piece over there in the corner and around here, and then we got to do over there on that side, and then we'll be done. I'll show you that in a little bit. Alright everybody, this is how far we've got. This is really all we got left right here, and this is the bed. We set it back down to see what it looks like. We're going to put some kind of contact paper on here to get rid of this wood color. I don't like it. I think it's ugly. But, yeah, that's all we really got left. And I will show you when it's done. Alright, everyone, the floor is completely done. I think it looks really good. We are about to put the bed up here right now. Yeah, so I've got all the edge pieces trimmed out. Soon, probably in the next video, I'll be doing wallpaper in here. Because I really don't like the, whatever this is on the wall. It's kind of an outdated design. It's just not my style, so keep a lookout for that. Here is the floor all completed. We've got the bed back down.
You could fit a body in there.
Alright everyone, so I am currently putting up the wallpaper. So what I'm doing is I'm taking white wallpaper and I'm going to do up to the bottom of the windows. No, I'm going to take the white, and go down to where the bottom of the windows would be, all the way around the room. So that is up 34 inches from the ground. So that's where I'm going to go. I think that's a good length. And then I'm going to take, and this wood wallpaper is going to go like this, but down where I left off with the white. If you can kind of see the contrast up here, how that would kind of look. But I'm going to put some kind of trim around the middle, which I've bought this kind. You can see it's got some kind of little design, so that will be going right there where that line is, all the way around. So hopefully I can get some of it finished today, and we'll see how it looks. I'm going to do this wall first. I'll have to put the outlet covers back on there. I went ahead and took them off because I was going to try and cut around them, but I wasn't that good at it, so we'll see. So I've got this piece cut out for right here. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And we'll see how it looks. I'm just taking like a little squeegee and making it straight. Otherwise, I would have wrinkles in everything. Okay, so also what I noticed, I ordered this white paper from Amazon. It was kind of see-through in a way, so honestly, this might be coming back down. It don't look that bad on camera, but you can see this little square. I wrote on the wall the measurements, right? In black Sharpie, obviously, and I wasn't thinking, hey, you're going to be able to see through that. So I put a little square of contact paper to cover it up, which obviously now you can see it through it, so that kind of shows you how see-through it is. But I don't know, I might get some new or something. Okay, so this is how she looks right here. Okay, so you see these spots that are bubbled up right here? There is a TV stand that goes right here. So that's where the screw holes are. That's why it's kind of bubbling up a little bit. So you definitely need a completely flat wall, or you can definitely see through it. Oh, so with that table being there, I might not be able to see this. That is a good thing. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start on the bottom. I'm going to set you up kind of lower. You might not be able to see it because yesterday we went ahead and put the bed in here. So we are currently living in the camper that we are renovating. We're renovating it room by room. So we are working on the bedroom currently. And so as you can see, the bed's up here. We've got over here the closets. We are putting the doors up. We painted them white. They need a little touch-ups here and there because they've been scratched a few times, but that is what we are working on. And we tore out the carpet inside of the cabinet, and we are going to put contact paper in here. As you've seen up here in these cabinets, there is some kind of funky contact paper in there. It is falling down. I did not use a squeegee when applying that, so I'm going to have to redo that. So I do not know a whole lot about renovating, but hey, it never hurts to learn. So, you know what, it's probably going to be a lot of trial and error, but I'm getting there, and I have some good people in my family, like my brother-in-law. He's been helping out a super lot here recently, and he knows a lot about renovating, so we'll get it done eventually. You can also see up here that wallpaper is kind of falling. I got it from Dollar Tree, and actually it is very sticky, but I was trying this easy hang stuff. It's supposed to be pill and stick helper, but honestly, I just think it made it worse, because it made it, I don't know, I honestly think it made it worse, because you can see some pieces, like, down here towards the bottom. I did not use the spray. I used it up on the top ones, and those are the ones that are falling down. I mean, that could just be me not putting it on there right, but I don't know. So I'll probably have to be fixing those soon, but I'm going to continue putting up this wallpaper. Okay guys, so my car ended up tearing up, so I did not finish the wallpaper. So stay tuned to the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye. My bad. I didn't lift a finger.
No.
Not at all.
She just bought the tape.
I bought the tape. And the plastic.
Yeah, that too.